The Garmin Enduro 2. Why? Just why? Let's do this. Yeah, the Garmin Enduro 2. Why? Why? You know, a few weeks ago, I did my full, complete review about those three watches, which is the Fenix 7, Epix, and Tactix 7. They are basically 3 times the very same watch. This is the Fenix. Be careful, it's not the it's not the wristband that come with it. You've got the Tactix and you've got the Epix, again with still not the wristband that come with it. They are 3 times the same watch. They do have the same interface. The only difference between them is that it's all around the Fenix. So you have the Fenix, which is the original. The Epix, I don't know how you say it in English, Epix in French. It's just the same watch with a better display because it's the AMOLED one, and the Tactix one is just in a different case with military options. This is the one that I have at my wrist on every day just because I prefer the look of its case, and that's it. And now there's a 4th player, that is the Enduro 2. Face one. So why? The only difference from what I have seen in the last few minutes, I've just unboxed it and play a bit with it. I can say it's the very same thing, but with a bigger battery and a stronger flashlight. That's it. So I would say that if you want to have my full review on that product, you can go just right now see my previous full review of those 3 watch and tell yourself that this one have a bigger battery and a stronger flashlight. That's it. Of course, I can't really assure you that it is that, but I'm 99% sure that it is very that. Of course, I will test it and I will do my review in a month or 2 after I deeply test it. It will become my everyday watch, well, just right now, after I recharge it, of course. But yeah, it's the very same watch. Okay, let's see the difference in details. I've picked those notes just right here, and in terms of price, let's go in US dollar. The Fenix is $1,000, and the Enduro is $1,100. So you pay $100 more to get the stronger flashlight and a stronger battery. When I say 1,000 for the Fenix 7, keep in mind that because I want to compare Apple with Apple, Apple not the brand, but you got the idea. I want to compare tomatoes with tomatoes. I compare it with the Fenix 7X because it's the same size, and I compare it with the Sapphire Crystal Screen model with the Solar, because it's the only option you have when you go with the Enduro. That's a concept. Why is it the Enduro not? Why is it the Fenix, not the Enduro? I mean, the Fenix just doesn't make any sense now. It just should have been the Enduro. Yeah, the other thing is that it's the only size available. It's the only color available While when you go into the Fenix, you have the small model, you have the regular model that is the same size as the Epix, and you have the X model, which is the same size as the Tactix. The Tactix only come in the bigger size. And when you go on Fenix, you have the choice always between color. You have, well, you see this one is black. I could also have it on the same color as this one, except for the green stuff. I could also have it on white. I can have it with Gorilla Glass or Sapphire Crystal Glass. It's up to you. Enduro, that's the only model. So I compare it with the model that is the very same. So $1,000 for the Fenix, $1,100 for the Enduro. And if we go up to the Tactix, it's $1,300. So in my head, does it make sense to pay $100 more to get a stronger battery and a better battery and a stronger flashlight? Yes, of course. In my head, it does make sense. Because you have a kind of big of difference in terms of battery. The battery, let's compare the Fenix with the Enduro, and it's the same Fenix as the very same result as the Tactix. So the Fenix got in smartwatch mode. That means you wear the watch on that very screen where you see the time, your altitude, your heart rate, those kind of things. You receive notification from your phone, those things. The Fenix will last for 28 days, and it's 34 days over here. And if we push it a little bit further with the solar, and watch out, that's the estimate from Garmin. I think they are realist, but to get the number they give on solar, you need 3 hours of full sun brightness every day. Good luck. So you can push that from 34 days up to 46 days, but good luck to get it. In GPS mode, the Fenix lasts 89 hours. We go up to 110. Yes, that's 21 hours over. So that's why I told you that $100 more worth it. And if you go with the solar, maybe it's more easier because you are outside. You can go up to 150 hours in GPS mode. Ouch, that's insane. If we go into GPS all satellite, it's 60. This will only give you a more precise location. I'm not using it because the GPS only works very fine for me, so I never use that. But if you are that kind of guy that want to use it, the Fenix gives you 63 hours, and you go up to 78 here, or 96 with the solar. In terms of music, when you listen to music inside the watch connected to Bluetooth headphone on your ear, it's 16 hours with the Fenix and 20 with that one, the Enduro 2. And in expedition mode, you got 62 days with the Fenix and 77 with the Enduro 2. Speaking about her solar with the expedition mode, you got it's 172 days, but you got almost nothing with that. You got few location sometime. The Enduro 2 was there. The Enduro 1, the previous model, was the very same thing as the Fenix, except it doesn't have maps. I think it was a bit cheaper and the battery was a bit stronger, but in fact I'm not sure, but I think it was the same battery. It's just that because it doesn't have the map, it is easier to last longer. This one does have the map. I didn't test it, but I know it have the map. I know it have the maps. So, yeah. Why? Oh, there's one other difference. I didn't realize it while wearing it yet, but I see it by comparing the data on the Garmin website, and the Enduro 2 is a little bit thicker than the Fenix. It is 0.7 millimeter thicker. Can you see it? It's, yeah, we can see it a little bit. It's a little difference, but it is thicker. Probably just for the battery. There's no magic. Bigger case, bigger battery, better battery life. That's the only difference, so I won't see why it would be thicker otherwise. Speaking about the weight, because it's thicker, there's one thing that did surprise me. Let's pick the Tactix, for example, because the Tactix were exactly the same thing as the Fenix, and I have the original wristband on that one. So this one weighs 89 gram, while this one 70. It's thicker, stronger battery, but lighter because of the wristband. This wristband is really light. If we go only with the case, so if we remove that guy, it's 64 gram, while the case of the Tactix or the Fenix is 61 grams, so it's 4 grams heavier. You can, of course, remove that wristband. That's probably what I'm gonna do, and put it back quite quickly. Or you can put any quick fit, Garmin Quick Fit 26. The 26? Yeah, Garmin Quick Fit 26 band does fit on it, so you can easily replace it for something that might look better. This will surely be my new everyday watch, but I will not keep that wristband. I don't really like it. I don't like the way you put it, and then no, that was not too bad. And then you, okay, it's great the way it fit to your hand. It fit just perfectly because you can adjust it to the millimeter you want. So yeah, it does feel great for that. The thing I don't like about it, because I already tested that band before with the Fenix, is the fact that it's so light under that it make it feel heavier on top. While one of my favorite band is the titanium ventilated one. This one is a hell of a lot more heavier, but it feels mostly balanced. So it's probably the wristband that I'm gonna use on it after I force myself to use it for a couple of days. What else? No, I think it's basically it. It will become my new everyday watch. It will probably be my favorite watch because it's the very same as the one I already use, but with a stronger flashlight and a better battery. So, just why Garmin haven't you made the Enduro be the Fenix? I didn't expect it that one, but well, now it's there. You can consider the Fenix collection being the Tactix, the Epix, the Fenix, and the Enduro. Same watch with a little different something. So this was it for my first thought on the Garmin Enduro 2.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. And if you need help to find this product online, please see my links in the description. And finally, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you're looking for a great review video. See ya!